Okay everyone, I've been doing a lot of riding since the weather has gotten nice and not a lot of video uploading. Well, I just landed today and had a sub asking about hard starts with his Revtech 100 cubic inch. Now the two biggest helps in this area is having compression releases on the heads and a good battery, maybe a great battery. My Revtech 100 has the compression releases built into the heads, so that part was taken care of for me. Even with these, it would be a very hard start, especially when the engine's cold. There's a couple companies like Wimmer who sell compression release kits for the spark plugs, as you see. I haven't had any experience using these, so I can't really give any experience on how they work. I'm guessing any pressure release will be better than hard starts. If you have any experience with these, let us know in the comments. To activate the compression releases, just press them until you hear the click. And unless you want some very embarrassing stories about leaving the biker bar or heading out on a ride, always turn on the gas. Bike's been sitting a few weeks while I'm out making friends with a goat, so prime the carb with a couple twists. Turn the key to on. Flip the switch to run. Drum roll, please.
Inches of thigh slapping, blood pumping, nuclear brain damage.
Now, of course, after you've been riding a while, it's pretty hot. So have your gloves. What I do, I got this little rubber thing on here to press down the compression releases. Which helps. Need to rebuild my Mikuni carburetor. Right now that choke doesn't do anything. Makes it worse sometimes. Wait, what? What did you say, a goat? Well, we were heading out to Prescott, Arizona. A late start, found ourselves in 112 degree temps going through the desert on Interstate 10, down past through Joshua Tree and Desert Center. Well, we got as far as Blythe, and going was brutal. Still 112 degrees or more, so we stayed the night at a little farm in Blythe, where I found Pan the goat. Cool little guy, and I'm definitely padding the time for this video. Well, we saw the Arizona monsoons starting to hit like a mother. Video after video like this, and we're like, nah.
Yeah, every Saturday night, you be like, flush me, Jay, flush me. I'd be like, no.
But that, and take this off. Second biggest help for starting is that lithium-ion battery. It's 420 cold cranking amps. And I've never had it struggle even a little bit to start the bike. I had just a cheap battery I put in there initially, which worked fine for about 8 months, and then I noticed it started getting hard to start again. And my resident chopper expert said get a good battery. Duh. Well, haven't had any problem with that in there. It starts just before I finish pushing the button. We'll do that again. Make sure the gas is on. press each one until you hear the click. Turn on the key and get it ready to go. That was actually a slow start, but it's not fully warmed up yet and been sitting for a couple weeks. Get it ready to go.